Last year we sold about 30 lakh phones in about 10 months time. If IDC market share numbers for the year indicate that we should have been about 4% plus market share. I think in total between as a group company between Motorola and Lenovo, we must be about 5.5-6% market share based on these company reports. In terms of what our targets for this year are, we obviously want to outdo our numbers that we had done last year. But having said that, numbers is not a target that it's not something that we go behind actively. As long as we have some of the great products that we can introduce to the market, we're going to be fine with it. I can't give you a monthly breakout of the numbers, but I mean, obviously, the numbers shape up. We have been doing month on month better numbers. Because as we kept on going through the year last year, we kept on introducing some more devices as well. So yeah, overall, but it's been a great year overall. So see, competition has always been there. We are very respectful of what competition is doing, but the most important part is what we do, no other OEM does, right? It's not only about having, let's say, have you got more cores in the phone, or is an 8 MP camera better than a 5 MP camera? Trust me, a 5 MP camera can be better than an 8 megapixels camera because nobody is blowing up their pictures that much. So it's a matter of how, when you put an overall phone together, phones today are very personal devices, right? So people tend to keep them very close to themselves. So I can give you a octa-core device, but then the battery will not last that long, right? Or I can give you a 13 MP camera, the cost will go up and it is not of much use. So what we do is, for example, on our cameras, we make sure that just by twisting the phone a little bit, you can actually bring the camera up. It's an amazing experience. So if somebody is clicking their kids' pictures, and you don't have to take the phone out, unlock it, and then start the camera, then focus it, and then try to take a picture. By that time, the moment is gone by. So what we have done is we have brought some experiences that were earlier available only on very high budget phones. We have brought them to the phones that we have, whether it's Corning Gorilla Glass or whether it's splash proof in the device. So the devices by itself are not meant to be compared from a spec on spec perspective. It's an experience on experience driven. Every consumer is unique and they need their devices to behave like that, and that's what we are focusing on, and that's what consumers love about our products. So we currently have about 6 phones in the market, and we, as the year goes through, we'll obviously have the newer products come in for these products, but we are not looking at increasing our current portfolio beyond the number that we have today. That's right. Flipkart is our exclusive partner, and we foresee that this will be the partnership that will continue in near future as well. So we believe that Motorola was the first company that made the real smartwatch, right? How many of us like to wear watches that are triangles or squares, right? Watch by design was supposed to be round, right? So this is the world's first round smartwatch. This is a watch that you can purely wear because it's a watch. But what we have done is obviously there is a lot of technology that has gone behind this product to make it as interesting, as amazing it is. Now, as a watch, it will pair with any device which is higher than Android 4.3. And this is, I think, the best-selling Android smartwatch across the globe. Not only in India, but even in India, it has been very, very successful. So we keep on updating our devices, and obviously there are updates in the pipeline as well. But nothing that I can announce right now. But there are going to be a lot more updates coming out. The price for this watch currently is 12,999.